I was talking with businesses about the work that the council's been doing over the last 4 years to help support development of the economy in Denbighshire. It's really great to see so many businesses coming together at events like this and other events that we've held during March for Business and throughout the year. Businesses working together, collaborating, networking and talking to each other about the things that are important to them and the things that they can share and offer.
Business, private sector business, is the actual core of any economy. Business has to expand, business has to become more productive. And by organising these events to help businesses grow and help businesses particularly to become more productive, these are absolutely vital. And this is where local authorities can enable that. That is one of their key roles, is to enable business to generate a much better, ultimately, life for us all.
Events like March for Business are really important to the region. Again, they create networks, they create collaboration. Businesses can meet other businesses and they can meet support providers as well, such as ourselves, such as County Council, such as the Welsh Government, to find out what support and funding is available for their business and also meet each other to build those collaborations to help them grow as a company.
It's important to have events like March for Business because it brings local companies together to see what we can do working together to grow our business and improve our areas as well. I mean, we've all got families within the areas, we all want to see them grow up and do well, and this is really making sure that we've got a solid future in our area to grow and improve on what we're already doing.
We actually have a lot of strengths, a lot of excellence and a lot of global intelligence and understanding manufacturing that we really can be proud of, and by people coming together from different parts of that economy. The economy in North Wales is so mixed. When you get people who can work together, where there are synergies, then we all win.
It's important that small businesses create lasting and productive networks. What this has done is bring small businesses together with the local authority, with Denbighshire, to create that vital business network. So this is a very positive move.